Hello everyone, my name is Trupti and my seminar topic is constructor and destructor in Python. Constructor in Python. A constructor in a Python is nothing but it is a special type of method or function which is used to initialize the instance member of the class. That means whenever the object of the class is created, the constructor is invoked automatically and which is used to initialize the instance member of the class. Generally in C++ or Java, the constructor have the same name as its class, but in Python it is used to create an object. Constructor definition is executed automatically when we create the object of its class. That means constructor definition is executed automatically by the system. Constructor can be of three types: parameterized constructor, non-parameterized constructor, and a default constructor. Firstly, we will see the creation of the constructor. For the creation of the constructor, we require syntax. So the syntax of the constructor is def hyphen init hyphen in the parenthesis self colon. So init method is known as a constructor in the Python. It accepts the self keyword as the first argument, and it is mostly used to initialize the class attribute. Every class must have a constructor, and we can pass any number of argument of the any numbers of argument to the constructor, but it depends upon the definition of the constructor. So let's see the types of the constructor, that is a parameterized and non-parameterized. So let's see the first type, that is parameterized constructor. The constructor which can accept multiple parameter along with the self. This constructor is known as a parameterized constructor. Uh, for example, we have a class student which have two methods: constructor method and show method. In the constructor method, we have to print this is a parameterized constructor which accepts self and name as a argument, and in the show method, in we have to print hello and self dot name, and which accepts self as a parameter. Yes to you is the object of the student class which accepts John as a parameter, and stu dot show will invoke the show method from the student class. The output we will get, this is a parameterized constructor hello John. Now a non-parameterized constructor, the constructor which does not accept any parameter other than the self keyword. This constructor is known as non-parameterized constructor. So example is a class student which contain two method: constructor method and show method. In the constructor method, we have to print this is non-parameterized constructor and which accepts the self keyword only. And in the show method, we have to print hello and name, which will accept self and name as a parameter. Yes to you is the object of the student class, and yes to you dot show will invoke the show method from the student class, and which have a parameter John. The output we will get, this is non-parameterized constructor hello John. Third type of the constructor is the default constructor. Whenever the programmer does not includes or declare constructor in the program, then the system automatically generates its own constructor, and this constructor is known as default constructor. So let's see an example. For example, class student which have variables roll number is equals to 101 and name is equal to Joseph. It have one method, that is a display method, which in which we have to print self dot roll number and self dot name, which accepts self as a parameter, whereas stu is the object of the student class. In stu dot display will invoke the display method from the student class. The output we will get 101 Joseph. Now let's see about the destructors in Python. The del method in the Python is known as the destructor method. The syntax for the destructor declaration is def hyphen del hyphen in the parenthesis self colon. This method is act as a garbage collector that handle memory management automatically. Destructors are invoked when an object get destroyed. And delete method is called when all the reference of the object have been deleted. Means when an object is a garbage collected. Example of the destructor. Let's see an example of the destructor. For example, we have a class with name employee, and we have two method, constructor method and destructor method. In the constructor method, we have to print employee created and which accepts self as a parameter. And in the destructor method, that is a delete method, we have to print destructor called employee deleted, which accepts self as a parameter. Obj is the object of the employee class, and we have to delete the object. So we have to we took del obj, and the output we will get employee created, destructor called employee deleted. So this is all about constructor and destructor in Python. Thank you so much.